Hello Bitcoin world, it's Brian here, the UK Bitcoin Master, back with another video in my series Bitcoin for Beginners. Welcome back to the channel, and as always, have a strong hand. Buy your Bitcoin, get it off your exchange onto your Trezor device. Links below if you want a Trezor consultation, and then hold your Bitcoin and do nothing and wait for the halvings. Today is November the 8th, 2018, and Bitcoin to the moon. Love these t-shirts. Got a guy down in Australia supplies me with t-shirts, and whatever he supplies I will wear to promote Bitcoin. As always, follow me across all the platforms. Twitter at UK Bitcoin Master. You can follow me on Bit.Tube, where I post these videos as well, at UK Bitcoin Master. DTube obviously uploads it to Steemit, so I'm on Steemit, DTube, at UK Bitcoin Master. As always, please like this video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, bash the bell button so you get any notifications when I post any videos. So today I wanted to talk to you all about commitment. I really love the word commitment. And here's my definition of commitment. Commitment is doing the thing you said you would do long after the mood you said it in has left you. I'll say it again. Commitment is doing the thing you said you would do long after the mood that you said it in has passed. I.e., you know what? I'm going to buy some Bitcoin, I'm going to get it on a Trezor, and I'm going to wait it out. And then you go and listen, or you're following Twitter, and you're listening to other people saying you can trade this and you can trade that, and you renege on your commitment and you go off and you start trading and you lose your Bitcoin. The problem is with this sideways market, this bear market, it is so easy to get fudded out of your Bitcoin, or fear, uncertainty and doubt is what FUD is for the newbies. When really all you got to do is, depending on your strategy, if you want to trade, understand that 90% of traders lose money. That's the first thing. And these are good, seasoned, hardcore traders. So if they're going to lose money, so are you. So if you don't want sleepless nights, my advice is to buy your Bitcoin, LocalBitcoins, Coinbase.com, links in the notes sections below there. Buy some. Buy a Trezor, link below, and then learn how to move your Bitcoin from your exchange to your Trezor. And once you've got it on a Trezor, they're your keys and it's your Bitcoin. On an exchange, if that gets hacked or if anything goes wrong, you stand to lose your Bitcoin. So you need to learn as a newbie how to do these basic things, like registering with Coinbase, buying some Bitcoin, and then moving your Bitcoin. And if you do that wrong, moving your Bitcoin, trying to move it onto your Trezor, your Bitcoin's gone. So it is well worth paying someone, me, someone else, a tiny bit of Bitcoin to ensure that you do that correctly, and then you've got it safely stored on your Trezor. You see, playing around with altcoins, yeah, of course you could make some money short term, but ultimately traders lose. So the long-term game, is to buy and hold your Bitcoin and then wait for it to climb again, wait for the Bitcoin halvings to come around. We know there's going to be a halving in excuse me, in 2020. There's going to be another halving in 2024, 2028, etc. When Bitcoin gets scarcer and scarcer and scarcer, and scarcity will drive the price up. So your strategy is to either trade, have sleepless nights and risk losing all your money, or buy some Bitcoin, get it on a Trezor, and then wait for these halvings to come round. Because you see, Bitcoin versus these altcoins, trading coins, is like the tortoise and the hare scenario. The hare goes racing off in the distance, and then it runs out of steam and the tortoise creeps on by. And Bitcoin is the tortoise. It is the rock. It is where all cryptocurrency started. It is decentralized. It is immutable. There are only ever going to be 21 million, and 4 million or so are already lost. So with all those factors, Governments can't alter it, change it, stop it, fix it. They can't do anything with it because it's decentralized. With all these other coins they can, they're all centralized. So I guess it's really asking the question of you, what is your commitment? What are you committed to? You know, are you in Bitcoin for a fast buck? Or are you in Bitcoin because of its technology, what it offers the world, and waiting it out, and ultimately by supporting that network of people that are in it for the long term because we believe it can change the world of money for the better, you are then going to get your just rewards anyway, but it means waiting them out, being patient, and here we are again, being committed to your strategy. If you want to go off and trade, not a problem at all. But if you don't want to be stressed, sleepless nights, worrying about when do I buy, when do I sell, getting involved obviously in KYC, then tax implications, etc. If you don't want any of that and you want to just get on with your life and enjoy your work, enjoy your family, etc., then you just want to buy and hold Bitcoin and then wait for the scarcity aspect to happen, and then obviously the price of Bitcoin to go up. Because, you know, there are no guarantees in life. But as much as one can guarantee, the only way Bitcoin price can go is up, really, because, you know, you've only got to look around at all the massive, you know, multi-billion corporations, banks, governments, etc., that are either quietly getting into Bitcoin or are studying it and wanting to know how they get into it. So that's not a, you know, an industry or an asset class that's going away anytime soon. It's just that we've got to ride this bear and side market out until all of a sudden we have a breakout again and Bitcoin starts to head to the moon. So again, if you want t-shirts like this, links below, Bitcoin to the moon, Trezor, links below to my archive with all my previous videos on. Do go and watch them, guys. I sort of aim a lot of my videos at people new into the space or just looking to get into the space, hence the title, The Bitcoin for Beginners Show. So that'll do for today. Thanks for watching. As always, do like this video and share it. I'd appreciate it. Give us a subscribe so I can get those numbers up. Bash the bell button so you get the notifications. Follow me on all the platforms at UK Bitcoin Master. If you're watching this on Steemit, give us a re-steam and an upvote. I'd greatly appreciate it. And that is it. As always, have yourselves a fantastic Bitcoin day, and I'll catch you all on the next video. I'm Brian, the UK Bitcoin Master, signing off for now.